Welcome back everybody to the channel, How I Did a Garage. Today, I'll be changing out the blades on this Raptor SD Hustler. Mowed the front yard and the side yard a little bit, and the blades is terrible. I'm having to go back over stuff twice, so figured it'd be a good time to go ahead and put the reworked blades I got on there. Normally at the beginning of the year, I don't start off with new blades because I don't know if there's any sticks or anything in the yard that I don't know about, and I don't want to mess my new blades up. So I'll run it once or twice with the old blades and then take them off and put new blades on there and sharpen the old ones, of course, you know, like probably most people do. But it's about that time, so I'm going to clean out the garage and get her in there, jack her up, and get her did. This is Turd Barrel, aka Kane, a new addition to How I Did a Garage family. What is it, boy? Pretty boy, what are you doing? Always use jack stands. Don't ever trust a jack, especially when it looks like that. So the way I've done these blades, these are the original blades came on it, and I sharpened them a little bit different than most people. I done them on a mill because I wanted a perfect edge, really sharp, which they are, almost cut you. And I want to take off the minimum amount of metal. I didn't want to keep grinding on them, get them unbalanced. So I put them on the mill. I'm going to cross them. Of course, it's a 60-degree edge on it, or angle on the edge. To get them in the jig, I had to drill 2 holes on each side so I could put it on this side, then put it on this side. And feels like it's going to work out really well. It's real even. I like it, but I'm gonna try it out and see how it does. Works out pretty good. I'm gonna continue to do this instead of, putting them on a grinder like most people. So, I'm not sure what size this is. I think it might be a 15/16. So we're gonna try. Alright. This is a 7/8. Way bigger than that. And we got a 15/16. Perfect. Impact makes this a lot easier, because if not, try to spin it or turn with a wrench or something, of course the blade starts spinning. So came off easy. Yeah, these things dull. And I sees. Use it. Helps out. This is a new mower, so everything's coming off and on pretty easy, but over time them bearings is going to be getting hot, and this is going to be rusting, and it ain't going to come off so easy eventually. So once you get it on there, stop. You don't want to break the boat. All right. Lucky on this side. Ooh. Got it rough. Got her off though. All right. We are ready to mow almost. So, a little tech tip, put your blades on right. Still cut pretty good, but didn't quite blow out the grass like it was supposed to. So, Remember this one thing, although I didn't practice it. Check twice, do it once. So yeah, I'm gonna have to take these back off and put them on the right way. But it is what it is, it happens.